This is my first ever video, and today
We're at the beach. We're going to be doing something, right? You probably know by the title of the video, but we're going to be doing something. So, in our town, loads of people just come to the beach and they hang out with their friends. But I know these boys down there. They're a bit crazy. But I know them because they're in my school.
And one of them likes to fight. Well,
yeah, he does boxing, and he's really good at it. But I went down there and was talking to them.
He's such an actor.
No, but Rory doesn't really know them. They know Rory only from hanging out with me. But now they're down there waiting for the girls to come and to meet them.
From Cork?
No, the girls are coming from the girls come from their houses. The girls had a sleepover last night, they said, because I was at that sleepover too, but I couldn't be bothered to go and meet the boys. So we were at the beach because my sister is swimming. She's over there somewhere. And yeah, so Rory's going to go down and smack them in the back of the head. Hopefully they don't react really angry, because I hope because they know that that's my brother and they kind of know him a bit, but he gets really angry. Okay.
He's a rager.
So
Rager.
I'm just gonna whisper stuff to Rory to do, and then he's gonna go down. Okay. So let's go and watch. The boys know I'm here, so. Okay, so now they're just staring at me, and that's really awkward. And now they're just looking up at me, or at me. But Rory's going down again. They didn't get that angry. Cute. He's gonna get so angry. Oh my god. Oh my god. Rory, stop. Rory, come on, get up. Okay. Rory, guys, we need to stop the video. This just went wrong. You punched Rory to the ground. So we're going to stop the video here. Bye guys, please subscribe. And this was Rory's first video. Bye.